Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, we should be right around day 7 if you're watching one of these a day. You might be like me though and watch maybe 15 of them in one sitting to get all this information that we're throwing at you. So we should be around day 7 if you're watching one at a time. And what we want to get into today is essential oils. Essential oils have some amazing properties to them. They can help the immune system. They can help the cells fight off toxins. They can help detox stuff out of your body. And so let me tell you how I was introduced to essential oils, so that gives you a little more confidence that it's something that you want to add to your program going forward. A friend of mine called me and asked me if I've heard of frankincense the week I was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. So not knowing about frankincense, I think I've used patchouli oil or something in the past, but didn't really use it as a healing product. So I started doing some reading, and I called back after 4 different articles and I said, where do I get it? And she said, you want to get something good. Do not get a low grade, low quality oil. So I'm not really on here to advertise for a company, but I like the doTERRA products because of the purity level of the product. Because you will be putting some of these oils in your mouth. Do not, if you get something in an inexpensive way, just don't put the product in your mouth. You can put it on your body. You can put it in a diffuser. So essential oils, frankincense is my favorite, and there's a whole list of them. Lavender for relaxing, love the smell. Lemongrass, I help with sore muscles and love the smell. All of these different oils have amazing smells to me. And so let's go back to frankincense, for example. So people ask me constantly, how do you use the oils? Well, I use them 3 ways. I actually do put them in my mouth. I have a friend of mine, he said, you put it right there, lick it, and it goes into your mouth. Some people put drops under their tongue. Some people don't like the taste of essential oils, so what they do is they put it in a little gel cap and swallow it with water, so you're getting it in your body, okay? So orally is the first way. Topically would be number 2, and that is on the back of your neck, on the bottoms and tops of your feet, any areas where there's aches and pains. I suffered a spinal collapse, so I put a lot of frankincense on my lower spine as well. So that's 2 ways. And the third way, which is very important, is called a diffuser. If you've seen those little steamers anywhere, what you may see is they put water in them, and then you can put 6 or 7 or 8 drops of essential oil in there, and then you're breathing it in, the water molecules, you're breathing this in at a very small level into the cells in your body. And you can put frankincense, or you can put a couple different oils in that diffuser if you like the smell, if you like the healing properties. Go on our site, livinghopecancerfoundation.com, and there's more information about the essential oils on there. Another thing that kind of sold me on the oils was, I heard a friend say that essential oils and anointing with oil was listed 500 times in the Bible. I thought that was pretty cool. So essential oils have become a part of my program, and I encourage it for a lot of people. So add them. If you have questions about it, on the bottom of our Living Hope Cancer Foundation, there's an email situation there, and we'd like to hear from you. Questions on how you're doing. This should be about day 7 in your program, so we need to know how you're doing, how you're feeling. If you have any questions about the things that we're talking about, please get a hold of us. We definitely want you to know you're not in this alone, and we here at Living Hope Cancer Foundation, we want to be your best friend. We want to be your guidance. We want to be your big hugs. All right, guys? All right, talk to you soon.